As usual, this is going hell in here. But today is the one great, interesting, marvelous, tripping news for you all guys. Now my worst will rock, and when I say the worst, then you both will be shocked. This is a very, very great and dangerous announcement. Today, as you know that every team playing, but before it, we have to call their word jury. We call what? Jury. Same is here. The juries will be appearing here. The names are with great appreciation. Never seen their face. They will conduct their jury. Now I need the fully appreciation. The names are Sir Raja and Sir Wasim. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? But, thank you very much. Thank you very much. But not for today. I did not say will appear. Will. It will be once. Went once. As Inajal. They are the great personality in the WLB. They are not piece of cake here. Come up here. They will come on final. Then Helen with them. Okay. Thank you, all audience. Again, keep patient. Keep patient. They will appear. Now I gonna call the great debate taker. Great, smart, intelligent. I'm not taking my own name. I am. But here's a new debate taker. Baba, not baby. No miss. No auntie. She's a madam. Madam Fatima, have a big hand for her. Madam Fatima, come here. Are you ready for taking debate?
Yes.
Fully confident?
Yes.
Can I go? Can I go? Thank you very much. But, madam, do you know who are the juries?
No, sir. Please.
You didn't know the jury?
Yes.
I want to say in the camera because the public really don't know, you know? Now, call your judges, your juries here. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, bye-bye.
Assalamu alaikum, guys. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, generator, operator of this beautiful world. First of all, I would like to thank Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then my parents, my respectable teachers, and my all friends who made me able to speak, walk, and learn. I'm very thankful to all, and I say Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today, before starting taking the debate, I come here that you know that the debate contest is going on 2012, and every year WLP, the Sir Wasim and Sir Raja launched a titanic, closer, marvelous debate contest of the year, and now I gonna call the great, marvelous judges, the jury. And you know who is the jury? Get a big hand for Miss Neelam and Sir Abid. start? Sir, want to register? So who will break the ice first? You? Stand up.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Nothing is yours and nothing is mine. Each and everything belongs to Allah, who is the creator, generator and operator of this beautiful world. First of all, I would like to thank Allah and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that my dearest parents, my picture frame teachers and my lovely friends who make me able to speak, walk and learn. And I say Assalamu alaikum to you all. My name is Sarah Shasfali and I'm a leader of team Strikers, and my team will introduce by themselves.
My name is Muhammad Bilal and my team name is Strikers.
My name is Muzammil Uddin and my team name is Strikers.
I am belongs to Striker and my name is Umar Awan. Assalamu alaikum to all. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Sir Wasim Ali and Sir A.R. Raju who gave us chance to deliver our thoughts in front of you all. Today our topic is weapons cannot stop the crime. First of all, the definition is a weapon, arm or armament is used in order to inflict damage or harm to living things, physically or mentally. And my question is that for you, tell me when first weapon was discovered or observed and who used it first. Thank you.
Right here. Come here. I seek refuge in Allah from Satan. To the outcast with the superlative almighty name of Allah, who is the Awler and all-seeing Sapture, Recorners and the compressor of this great universe. I would like to thank Allah, then Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, then my parents, then my teachers, Sir Wasim Ali, Sir Tahsim Ali and Principal of WLP, Sir A.R. Raja, who made me able to speak, walk and learn. I am very thankful to all and I say Assalamu alaikum guys. Now I am introduce myself. This is Palvasha. I am pretend to join row. Now my team introduce themselves.
My name is Adil Hassan. My team name is Gyano.
My name is Sheikh Muzuddin and my team name is Gyro.
This is Salah Mahmood, the leader of Gyno. Today, the sir gave us topic. Can crime stop by weapon? Obviously yes. First of all, we have to know what is crime. Crime is a sin. Crime is a felony. Crime is that thing which hurt. Crime is that thing which cause or disadvantage people. And who does crime? Who do crime? Obviously, the criminal, the sinner, the felonious person, the distractor do the crime. And my brother give the definition of weapons. Can you please explain it again?
Can you please explain again?
A weapon, arm or armament is a tool which is used to inflict damage or harm to living thing. It's called weapon.
This
Okay.
call back. My dear brother, you don't know what is the correct definition of weapons. You don't know, but I tell you. Weapons means to be used an adversary as antagonist rivals. Also weapons means tricks, the teachings, device, to shots, shafts, resorts, etc.
According to Oxford Learner Dictionary, New 8th edition, weapons definition is an object such as gun, knife, bomb, etc., which is used for attacking, hurting, fighting, etc. is called weapon.
Which is used for attacking, fighting.
You say that according to Oxford Dictionary, this. Can you bring the Oxford Dictionary right now?
Can you bring the Oxford Dictionary right now?
Today the
No, please. First, I asked the question. I don't complete my point. Can you bring?
I can't bring, but if you want, you can see it.
Okay.
And
My
others
dear,
know very well.
my dear, you gave the wrong definition, you gave the wrong conception. Because there is no such type of definition of weapons. Weapons means guns. Weapons not means missile. Weapons don't means bullet. The correct definition, actually, the arms, the word arm don't belongs to weapons. The arm word belongs to weaponry. I have a proof. Next. And you can see the actual, what is the means of arms. You can see it is the tree for
Yeah. Please
Sir.
speak up.
Okay. It means that you don't know the definition, you just make wrong, false definition few words. If you don't know the definition of weapon, then how can you come here and to play a debate? I don't know.
Clapping.
My dear friend, it's a lack of knowledge. Everyone knows that, and you already said that. I already tell in my definition that a weapon or arm or armament. Okay, and I have a definition of this. Please prove to miss. And this come from Wikipedia, the best and the biggest website for internet, and all knows very well. Thank you.
Without weapons, cannot stop the crime. So how can you say that weapons cannot stop the crime?
Weapons are used by terrorists mostly. Weapons are used for hurting, weapons are used for attacking, weapons are used for fighting. How can you say? Give me one reason.
Give me.
So please tell me why government gave the weapons for the police. Please tell me.
Clap, please.
Government keep weapons, please, only scared the police. Why they are give the weapons? Because they are scared. Every person are scared of weapons. Why? Because they are also give the power crime. That's why any people are scared of weapons. Thank you very much.
Again and again, please explain the correct definition of weapon. Every person has weapon. My pen is also the weapon because I am a student. The trick of teaching is also the weapon because teacher has its own weapon. And in debate we also show our weapon in the shape of tools. Why can I show the gun? Can I show the bomb? It means that it is only these are the weapons. My dear, love is also the weapon. And by means of weapon, you can stop the crime. That's all.
Do you know that they are playing the tremendous job, and they are playing the tremendous job, and now we will take a break because they are tired. So pray.
आपकी बहू नजर नहीं आ रही?
आती होगी। आप सुनाएं, कैसा है आपका नया दामाद?
फुल मेरी बेटी के कंट्रोल में।
अच्छा, और आपका बेटा?
फुल बीवी के फेवर में।
आंटी, एक बार बहू को दामाद जैसी इज्जत देकर देखें, सब कुछ आपके फेवर में हो जाएगा।
जो वाइटल पीते हैं कुछ ऐसे जीते हैं। वाइटल, इससे अच्छी चाय अब शायद ना आए।
वाइटल पियो, जिंदगी जियो।
We are back. Now we'll start there. Now from here, the other you start.
In the name of Allah, I have come back to debate. Without weapons, we cannot stop the crime because our criminal too much bad in this era. Weapons are too much. Weapons are too much powerful in our safety.
Weapons are too much powerful in our safety.
Please replay your point and not listen. Please.
Reply your point. She cannot understand.
Please. Thank you very much.
Without weapons, we cannot stop the crime because our criminal too much bad in this era. Weapons are too much necessary our safety.
Weapons are too much necessary in our safety.
You see, police are bad just because of weapons. Because they have a weapons, that's why they can kill everyone. Because they have weapons, they have the power of crime. And they are also crime in Pakistan. They are not crime, and bullies are easily killed every person just because of weapon. They have a weapon, they are killed them. Thank you very much.
They have a weapon, they kill them.
My dear, first of all, you have to don't hate bullies, just hate crime. Don't hate criminals, just hate crime. And let me complete.
You see,
And you say that bullies are bad, these are bad. If you have weapons, it means that you are safe and secure. No bully can attack on you.
No bully can attack on you.
According to neutrals, third law, action, reaction. If you will fire one gun, then they will fire 3 guns. Then what you will do?
So you have to learn the correct definition of Newton. It is Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. First of all, you have to learn the correct law, then you say the law in the debate. That's all.
Tell me 3 reasons how can you stop the crime with weapons. Tell me. And 3 cases which are solved by weapons and not law.
Okay. My sister say that how can I stop the crime in 3 ways with weapon. My weapon is love. First of all, I give the love to the criminal. Hey bro, don't do the crime. My first weapon. If he don't understand that he committed the crime, then I criticize him. Don't do it again. Then he again don't do such type of crime. And then shoot.
First, in Balochistan, police and FC and Rangers, Talha, please see me. I am not bargaining here. In Balochistan, police are attacked, FC are attacked in which weapons, and there person are going from, and they are also fighting. Why? Because they use the weapon. They are come and talking them. They are not going Africa, and they are not part of Palestine. They are not say I want separation. Thank you very much. You cannot. You are also talk definition. We are coming here for crime. You are say definition. It's not our topic. First clear.
It's not our topic. My dear brother, apart from Pakistan, every country stop the crime. So how can you say that weapons can't stop the crime? Weapons can't stop.
Women can't stop the crime. When crimes are stopped by rules and regulations, powerful law, and on it, impetites nation stops the crime.
My dear, you know that criminal are fool you, and you listen a proverb. You listen a proverb. A rod is logic of fools. It's mean that weapon is the rod.
Okay, my dear, first I'll tell you the answer of Mr. Salah, but my question is still alive, okay? And you said that we talk with bullies with love and patriotic, but my dear, we are going on a way and suddenly the bullies come and he snatch our mobile and we just say that give us our SIM, and she said slap on our face and say get out from here, okay? And my second question is that from Miss. What she said? No. What's your question is? Please repeat.
What's your question from? You listen properly, pay your mind here,
Yeah,
then
my
ask
mind
the
is
question.
also there. But my mind is super perfect.
I
Okay, light it. Okay. Give me the answer of my question. If you don't know, tell me. I'll explain you with the history. Okay?
As my brother said, give the whole answer of my speech. If he said that you go outside, you have a mobile phone, and suddenly the snatcher come and say, give the mobile. My dear, if you have own weapon, then how can a bully have a dare to try to harass you. You show weapon, he run away.
Show him and he run away. Yeah, you.
First, my brother, my elder brother, Mr. Tala. You say, I say him, please don't this work. And again you say, please don't this work. And you again, third time you say, I shoot them. Why? You are use the weapon. You shoot your brother. It's a crime. It's also a crime. You shoot your brother. It means you also use the weapons for give the power crime. Thank you very much. You are not listening me carefully, and you have said it's not a debate. I am not coming barking and again said, but you are not listening me, and you are starting and say yeah. What is this? Please carefully listen me. That's when you then.
With all due respect, with my humble request, I am very, very sorry if I hurt you. It is also the weapon of humanity. And then I come to the point. You say that stop. First I say I use my love weapon. My dear, don't do the crime. Then I use my criticize weapon. Hey, don't do the crime. And then I kill. And now I answer Mr. Umar. He says that he asked the question about the snatching, and he said that you kill your brother, it is a crime. My dear, if killing is the crime, then capital punishment is a big sin. It means that the person who lost their hands, if they snatch something in Saudi Arabia, it means that it is also the crime. My dear, first of all, you have to know what is crime. If the person hurts you and you say again and again what, and they don't stop, and they again do such type of thing, for all human beings, for all humanity, you have to kill the dirty fish. That's all.
Now you.
If weapon stop the crime, so tell me what is going on in Balochistan. Daniel have been going and still there is crime, bomb blasting, target killing and many other crime. Thank you.
Bomb blasting, target killing and many other crime. It is a political show. My dear brother, it is political show. It's a political show. You.
First, I have one question. Why we use weapons? Please give me an answer.
Why we use weapons? Yeah.
Because we save our life, and you know that you go to any ATM machine and you give us up money, and suddenly police is come. So police look out you. So police stop the criminal. Why? Because of weapons. My friend, you know.
Very good. Just because of weapons and you.
You are saying police. Excuse me, first get information. Police is not allowed to fire a gun. Okay?
From here.
First of all, you have to learn the law of Pakistan. Police is not allowed to use the pen, and they are allowed to give the flower to criminals. My brother said that why we use weapon. We use weapon in all moods of our life. We use weapon for brushing our teeth. We use weapon as a comb for hairstyle. We use weapon in the shape of iron for iron our clothes. We use it for doing such type of things. It is also the weapon. Like me. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
First, my dear, please learn the definition of weapon, my dear. Weapon is a tool or instrument. Let it be. Judges decide that what is the real definition. Okay. And my sister said that about every country has a crime, but don't have a crime. But my dear, if there is no crime, then why there is a lot of high crime rate all over the world, in Punjab, Balochistan, and also NWR.
Yeah, speak up.
There is also known that why crime in which country or city where there is a lot of crime was there. It shows in the map, all maps. And also all over the world, why? My question is that if there is lots of every country have a lots of weapons, then why there is a too much high crimes And my question is still alive, my dear. My first question.
Now, I'm gonna call here a great, very fabulous, marvelous teacher, Sir Tazim Ali. Give him a big hand. And he's gonna give another big.
Thank you very much, guys. Now let's continue our debate here right now. Mr.
Yeah, this chart shows the importance of weapons.
You will not listen to me. Come on here.
This chart shows the importance of weapons. Actually, this chart shows two things. First, unbalanced distribution of weapons. If the law and protection agencies have a lot of weapons, then it means that they are able to control the crime. And other thing is that maybe it is a fake chart because there is a lot of handwork is used. This is not a proper printed chart. That's all.
Solve?
Yeah.
Solve, Your Honor. Any kind of one say, come on, you.
My dear, it's printed and I from internet I got this.
I got from Ethernet. Anyone here? You, mister.
Weapons too much powerful for stop the crime. So because you have weapons, criminal cannot do anything in front of you.
Oh my God! Criminal will not stand in front of you. If you have weapons, criminal will not stand in front of you. Criminal, no, yeah.
Suppose,
Boss, come on.
suppose
Yeah.
any person are going road and you come and slap in this face, and they also replay you, and they also abuse you, and they also slap in your face. Why? Because we are use the weapons, and you also said you have power. Police are kill the bullies by weapon, and the bullies are also kill the weapon. My friend is also first debate. They are give the proof. We in video. Bullies are kill the police. That why? Because they have a weapons. Because they have a weapons and.
Thank you very much. Fine, let's quit here. Now, guys, how do you know that? Here is Madam Sarish's leader, Madam Sarish's leader, and here, Talai's leader. Then I want to block them, both of them. They are blocked. Yeah, show your face. Steady face. Here. Who's your block? Why are you smiling? Stand here. Talai's face. Talai. Oh my God. Okay, now continue the debate with these guys. Yeah, who said Mr. You and what? And what?
Yes, my dear friend, you said that this is a proof. Our youth are destroyed because of weapons.
Oh my God.
Because in children's hand there is a weapon.
Oh my God, what is the
You
secret?
are talking about weapons can stop the crime.
No, tell, what
In
is it?
there is a children's hand. They have their parents are
Giving
learn
them-
the how to
Run the gun.
weapon.
Weapons. Oh my gosh,
Fine,
it's ridiculous. What do you want to say?
And
Within 5 minutes, we'll finish in the 5 minutes. You have just 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My dear brother, it is a children toy.
It's a plastic gun.
Real gun, right here.
Plastic gun, not real one.
This is a rare gun, sir. This is a rare gun, and my question is still alive.
What the question is still
My
alive?
question is that who first used the weapon and who observed that, and when weapon was discovered, and who observed it?
Who observed the weapons when it
When
discovered
and who? And
still alive?
Use it.
It's still alive.
Yes.
Question is still alive.
How can I believe this? This is a real weapons.
How can I believe that you're doing this? How can I believe that? You stand up. Stand up, stand up. What's the point? Stand up. Come on. How are you? Stand up. How are you? How are you? You're fine. What's the topic?
Weapon cannot stop it.
Weapons cannot. We cannot stop them. Weapons cannot stop the crime. Adil, he said weapons cannot stop the crime. You stand. Adil, you stand. What's fight, okay? Fully fight. Sure. With him. Come on.
If criminal stand in front of you, what will you do?
If criminal stand in front of you, what do you do?
3 kinds of crime. Tell me.
Yeah, come on, tell.
3 kinds of crime. Crimes. Tell me.
Tell me 3 kinds of crimes. He said that if criminal come in front of you, what do you do? Criminal come, say they give the gun. What will you do? What will you do? It's I give. Come on. What do you do? Come on. 1, 2, Repeat. He's saying that I give the whatever I say. Weapons here. I give. Here you are. Raise the question. Come on.
One question. Please give me my question answer.
He say you what is question? Question.
What will you do in front criminal stand gun of you?
He say I give. If the criminal say give me mobile, I say give me mobile. And give mobile. You say that. I will give all thing. No sir. Sit down. Yes sir. Yes sir. Finish. No sir. Yes sir. Finish. Plus minus multiply. Now let's start from here. You stand up. You or you want?
Come on.
1, 2, I'm energetic. 3, sir.
First, see this picture.
Loudly, can I hear you?
See this picture. They are all killed.
Yeah.
They are all killed there by weapons. In America, fuse the atomic bomb. Why? Because they are give the power of weapon crime, and they also kill. In Japan, America attacked the Japan, and
America attacked the Japan. Yeah, come on.
This is my not.
No question. No for the topic.
My not. It's not my topic.
It's not my topic. Come on, tell us.
plus you don't know what is our topic. Our topic is weapons cannot.
Yes,
Weapons. Come on, yourself.
You know this happens.
Not Pakistan. It's all the world.
Crime. Weapon can stop the crime, my friend.
How?
You. Because sir.
Tell I give an example. For example, this person here. Say it fast. Hey, give an example one. Last example fast. Loudly. Loudly.
My in love. Love is my weapon. My dear, please, it is my humble request. Don't do the crime again. But he do it still. Why you do crime again and again? Why? I show you by means of the peace. Now it's my weapon is criticized. And now if he do it again, do the crime. Why do you crime?
Oh my God! Good. Okay, sit down. Thank you very much. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Now, guys. 3 minutes. 2 partner from here and 2 partner from here. Let's see now who will win today. Who will come from here? Right hand. Right hand. Left hand or right hand? Your left hand. Right hand. But in left hand. Come on. Left hand, right hand. Come on. Come outside. Are you ready? And one you want? Yes. Not inside? Now one. I think I won. Okay now. Umar, I won.
Yes.
Stand nice. Stand here. Go inside. Okay now, sir. Now, are you ready? Follow, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Whatever I drop, let's start, okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, start!
If the weapons can stop the crime, then why there is many countries there is a lots of crime was there in Afghanistan, in Burma, in also Balochistan. Why there is a too much crime was there?
Every country stop the crime.
There is no, there is I already tell that there is too much charge was there. There is too much crime was there and gun
Without weapons, criminal can't do. How can you say that?
Good boy!
Weapons can stop the crime.
Good!
Please say up.
Say up, say up!
Weapons are destroyed our youth, our life. I have a lots of proof there.
It's depend on you.
Oh my God!
Then what you
Oh
do?
my God!
They do nothing.
Criminal in front of you. What will you do?
What will you do? What will you do?
What will you do? Criminal is stand for you. Stand up
I
front of
can't
you.
do
What will
nothing
you do?
because my life is better than the mobile and the purse. My
Oh
life.
God!
We are talking about all over the world.
All over the world there is a too much crime. I already tell you.
Shoot criminals.
Police also shoot the crime. There is no license.
Oh my God, come on, that's it. And look at here, look at Show your frog in throat. You look tired. How are you?
No effect because this is a girl. They have a habit to laugh.
Habit!
Next you are having.
Okay, now, come on. Smiley face.
Yes.
Like a tonic. And you, Colgate. So, thank you very much. Now, guys, you want to fight?
Sir, I am come.
Come on, fast. Within 1 minute, Aida. 1, 2, 3, sir!
You are saying that love, love, love. Police don't have time of love. Police just do go take criminal and go to law, and law give punishment to it.
It is not time to listen. You fired, you have 20 seconds.
That's why.
1, 2, 3, sir!
Police is not police is not police.
You see, you're singing song. You're singing song. Stop. Now, you are singing a song. But you don't have much time. I love. What I love, not you. Smiley face. Smiley face. Go on. Now guys, Ida. Who will come for Ida? Who will come for Ida? Come on, come on. Who will come for Ida? Come on, start it. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I stand in front of you. As you know that I give one product. This is a mobile. Its mobile have many qualities. First of all, I will tell you its mobile have many qualities. Its mobile have many functions. Its mobile have camera 5 megapixel. It's have internet. It's have Yahoo, YouTube, email, Gmail, Windows Live. And its battery timing 1 week. Its keypad is very easy. It's a big point. Its model made of WLP. Its model made of WLP. Its mobile name is WLP. And if you purchase this mobile from market, its price 8,000 rupees, but WLP give you only 2,000 rupees. If you want purchase this mobile, I want to buy. Please contact this number 0349268932.
Sir, I want something. As you guys, what's your team name? What's your team name? Dinero. He is the fourth partner of Dinero. No first partner, no second partner, no third partner. Fourth partner of Dinero. And speaking, have a big effort. Today I want something to you. I want to do something to you. May I say? I love you. Yeah, good job. Now, next is sir.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm a saleswoman from the WLP International Company, and today I have bring the product. Very beautiful, very attractive. The product which is very useful in this situation. My product is the WLP perfume. You know, this product is very useful. We all know that it's very hot and we are just sweating and we are smelling, and that's why we want this product. This product give you sweet, good fragrance. It will give you freshness. It will make you charming, and it will give you the cool mind, like Sharinga you all do. And the secret of this perfume is that the hero of WLP, the beauty of WLP, you all know, I don't have to say the name. He used this WLP perfume That's why he looks so charming, so freshness every time. You have never seen him like he's tired and all that because he uses perfume. And if you want this perfume, contact to me. And this is the real perfume, and this is proof that it is the international product. So if you want, contact us, and I will give you. Don't miss it because it is very precious for you. Thank you.
Now guys, the time of the comments, the jury comments. Tell you what you want to say about them.
Assalamu alaikum to all. So I would like to thank my teachers. Due to them I'm sitting here, whatever, I am just because of my teachers. If I'm telling about the team Daniel versus the Stripers, both team played madness song, both team played really well. Today the all parties were speaking from here also, that's really a positive point from your opinion. Let's see this now.
Ahmed, what do you want to say?
Thank you, sir. As Miss Nilan said, it performed well. But, sir, if you could have done the mistake.
Man, answer! That is good or not?
They played well.
They played well. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Now from here, there's time of vote appeal. They will do vote appeal right now here. Thank you very much, guys.
Assalamualaikum to my Facebook friend. Assalamualaikum to my Facebook friend. This is the leader, Salam Mahmood Diary. If you want to vote us, please vote us. If you want to make us happy, then vote us. Because we want to believe, we want to win. And go on the Facebook, Wasim space learning space 1 and vote us. Vote for Dino. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. As you all know that we played excellent, fabulous, fantastic, marvelous job, and we all know, judges know that we are the winners, and I'm very confident, and I know you will vote for me. Don't vote for Dino or vote for Strikers. Thank you.
Thank you.